Hi, my name is Paweł Spychalski, and today I will show you the fastest and probably the easiest way to tune the new not Kalman BIQUAD RC+FIR2 stage 2 gyro filter introduced by Betaflight 3.3. I assume that your flight controller is already flashed, the drone is set up and it's ready to connect, so connect and go to configuration tab and make sure that the dynamic filter over here is disabled. I know that UAV Tech suggests something slightly different. I'm not saying that his way is bad or my is good or anything like that, but for me, without the dynamic filtering, it just flies well better. If you want to try UAV Tech's way, go to his channel, find the video, maybe you will like it more. I'm setting the dynamic filter off. Step number 2 is to go to filter settings and disable gyro notch 1 and gyro notch 2, exactly like you are doing when you are using dynamic filtering. Those are static filters. We don't want those two static filters. I'm also disabling the D-term notch filter because I don't find this filter very usable. After doing those steps, we almost disabled all the filtering. Now it's time to enable the famous stage 2 gyro, not Kalman, blah, blah, blah. So go to CLI, get stage 2, and the name of the setting is gyro stage 2 low pass HZ. Begin with 150 Hz. This is already more or less tuned setup, so I'm having this at 200, but if you are not sure how noise-free your setup is, begin with 150. This is your starting point for the tuning. The next step is the easiest or the most fun, because you have to just fly your quad. Fly for a minute or two, maybe not even the full pack, land, check the temperature of the motor, how it behaves, and if everything is fine, everything is okay, nothing is overheating, increase the stage 2 cutoff value. How much? Begin with 50, so the next step would be 200 Hz, and repeat. If it behaves better, worse, you feel some strange vibrations, strange noise coming from the engines, from the motors, and land, check the motor temperature. If they are cold, increase the value one more time with about, for let's say 50 Hz, so go to 250 and do the same again. When I was doing my tuning, I discovered that for my quad the sweet spot was 200 Hz. At 250 Hz, some twitching started to appear. It was not so smooth. Maybe the prop wash was slightly lower than before, but it was not really smooth all the time, so I backed down to 225. It was better, but from time to time, especially on the slightly used propellers, some twitching still appeared from time to time, so at the end I settled up at 200 Hz and it just flies great. Probably I will do one more session of tuning with the fresh set of propellers, and will one more time try higher cutoff values. I'm not sure if this will be better, but maybe, who knows. In your case, unfortunately, you have to decide by yourself. If you want to, you can play with Blackbox. UAV Tech done a lot of videos about that. Go check his channel over there. Just see how it's working. Me, in 10 minutes, went to a, I think, pretty good tune, and I really like how this thing behaves in the air. It's not perfect, but it's really big step comparing to Betaflight 3.2. That's all for today. After I stop talking, there will be a short video showing Betaflight 3.3 in the air. By the way, good job, guys. Really good, really good job on this release. I really like the new stage 2 filter. It's really does a great job. And that's almost all for today. Until the next one. Ciao!